2025 marks 50 years of one of Girard-Perregaux's most iconic creations, the Laureato. To celebrate, the brand has released the Laureato 50, a 200-piece limited edition that refines every detail of this legendary design. The Laureato 50 brings a fresh 39mm case in 3N yellow gold, perfectly proportioned at just 9.8mm thick. Its signature octagonal bezel has been subtly reworked with alternating satin and polished finishes, a play of light that highlights the craftsmanship. Even the octagonal gold crown carries the GP logo, and with 150 meters of water resistance, it's as capable as it is beautiful. The sunray grey dial features a refined clou de Paris pattern, now slightly enlarged for extra depth. Gold hands and indexes match the case, and the seconds hand features a counterweight shaped like Girard-Perregaux's double arrow. The integrated gold bracelet has also been updated. Shorter links, smoother domes, and a beautifully tapered flow to the clasp. The new fine adjustment system adds comfort and precision, the kind of detail collectors will love. Inside beats the new GP4800 automatic movement, complete with a silicone escapement, ceramic bearings, and 55 hours of power reserve. It's as elegant as it is advanced, featuring Côte de Genève, diamond-polished bevels, and a gold rotor engraved with Girard-Perregaux's signature arrow motif, a nod to the brand's tourbillon heritage. Limited to just 200 pieces and priced at 25,000 Swiss francs, the Laureato 50 perfectly honors half a century of timeless design. A golden tribute to one of Swiss watchmaking's true icons,